In this video, I will show you how to change password from Windows 10. First, press Windows key on your keyboard. Type Settings and click on Settings icon. Then scroll down till you find Accounts and click it. In this tab, click on Sign In Options. Now scroll down or make Windows bigger and click on Password. Now press Change. Type your old password and press Next. In this tab, write New Password, repeat New Password, add hint to your password and click Next and Finish. And your password is changed. Now your account don't have password. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.